LTC, we start with monthly charges. I want to give you a quick update. First of all, for most of the chart, we are within the correction. And for the LTC, based on monthly chart, we're looking at this correction. All right. And there is a possibility. This is what we're looking for. Anyway, we can expect the price consolidate here for longer time. This one can turn to a more complex correction. And that's why we are looking to see the breakout of 130. The breakout of the 130, then we can expect for continuation. Okay. And that's mean if you want to look for buy based on lower time frame at this point, we can trade as a short term. Okay. That's mean we can trade based on daily correction. And we should be aware about the possibility for the price to retest the previous low following by divergence. We are not we are not looking for this option, but we have to be aware of this. And again, the breakout of the 130 is really important for us. This is what we explained in my last analysis. And this is what I'm looking for. Now I want to see whether we can consider this one as the only correction for continuation or not. That's why for me, if I get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, I will take it. Then if we move to daily chart, since the price was within here, we discuss about this drop. And now we want to see whether we can look for the reversal. Whoever get the trade for buy within this zone, within here, they should book some profit because there is a possibility this one to be relative to what we have here for the next drop. And in the bigger picture, if we zoom out, even since the price was here, we discussed about the possibility for the price to retest the previous low. As you can see, the price tag this low. And if we put this top low in relative to what we have here in the bigger picture, we have a divergence. But at this point, we cannot look at the chart following by divergence as what I explained. That's why we can expect this one turn to a bigger correction. That's why whoever wants to look for buy from here, we have to see the breakout of the previous top, and we want to see the continuation as a sharp move. And if it is move as a corrective, again, we have to be we have to be aware of the next drop. Okay. And at this point, even based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to forward chart, as we can see, we have a divergence. That's why having entry above this top is not a really good idea. And even if anyone wants to look for buy, they consider this one as a correction based on 1 hour chart in relative to what we have here. They should look for the trade setup based on lower time frame. And for me, having entry above here, which is somewhere around 74, 75, I'm not interested because of the divergence. It doesn't mean we cannot see the continuation. The only thing is how we can look for the proper trade setup. And if we move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. Anyway, at this point, I don't see any trade setup. Having entry above the previous top is not a really good idea. But if we move to a bigger picture, weekly or monthly, the breakout of the 130, this is what I'm looking for. And at this point, we want to confirm whether this is the only correction. We can look for continuation or not. Okay. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.